Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carvel and I'm back at it with another wig review. So today's unit is brought to you by me, moi, my own money, my own coins. And today we are reviewing the wonderful JUNNY collection, as you guys can see on the stock card. Her name is JUNNY, and I have her in the color DR2 NAT.BRWN, which is supposed to be natural brown. But before we even get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hey, how you doing? Thank you for coming down to the M game, and I hope you stick around with the M team, okay? And if you're new, of course, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. It looks like this, bangles like these, period. All right, so let's get right into it. So today, of course, is this beautiful, gorgeous look. I am so loving this look. Let me step back. Ooh. This gorgeous look, JUNNY, and it's the extended part lace, of course, by JUNNY collection. It has an extremely deep part lace wig, and I have in a DR2 natural brown. And also they do have other colors. They have some awesome colors. Like, let me show you the stock card. This color here, you know, I was dying for this color. You guys know lately I've been doing like orangey, auburn, cinnamon colors. So I actually was dying for this color, but I was like, you know what? The other color took, you know, caught my attention first, which was this color. So I was like, let me go ahead and review this one for you. It was long overdue. I actually was supposed to post this Friday, which is yesterday. So today is Saturday morning. I'm up late right now trying to put these contents out for you guys. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this look right here. So let's get started. So this look right here, as you guys seen from the previous clip, the cap construction, I'll say this wig is probably like big head friendly because of the fact that I didn't really have to tighten it too much and it fits perfectly fine. Let me see, it's not too tight. I'll just say average size. We'll just stick with the average. It's an average size head friendly. It fits just fine. I didn't have to adjust any straps. It is heat resistant fibers. It can take heat up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. The length of this unit is super long. Oh, I'm trying to see if you guys can see. It's like reaching like my pelvis, waist area. I brought this unit off of wigtypes.com. I brought it for $35, and boy, I tell you, like, I had my eye on this. Once I seen this was in stock, I was like, let me go ahead and get this unit. I actually have another unit from Janet Collection I would love to review for you guys, so stick around for that one as well. This is a middle part. In the middle, it has a nice deep, as you guys can see, deep parting down the middle. It's like really like 5-inch, like that's what it's saying, extreme deep part. I don't know if you guys ever tried this unit, well, I guess they're extended deep parting. This is my first time, not first time trying on Janet Collection, but trying their extended deep part. I love it because I feel like the deeper the part, the more realistic it looks, so it doesn't look too fake or too wiggish. I love the curls. I really love the color. Like, look this, check this out. I love the color. It's like a natural brown, like, pretty much it's a natural brown. And also, like, the curls were held by these like foamy thingies, which I do love, and I still hold them. Like, so say if I want to get, you know, take off this unit, I actually put it right back in the box and I wrap it around, so you know the curls can stay fresh, and I can still rock this unit for you know down the future if I'm gonna wear it a few times. So I want it to still look good. I love the body. I love the density, the volume. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. I'll just say, like, going towards like the bottom, of course it thins out a little bit because I guess the layers, the way the layers are, is, you know, it's like more layered towards the top. This unit does shed quite a bit. It was tangling up. I'm not sure if it subsided. I was going crazy because I had a lot of flyaways. Like, it does have like a lot of flyaways, I guess, like from the layers. They're like pieces hanging out here and there. And let me see if it's shedding right now. Nothing right now, but the floor was filled with hair. I don't know if that was from cutting the lace, because I do get real close to the hair lining, so it could be that, but right now it's not. Let me see, it's not, no shedding right now. Let me fix my earring. No shedding right now. The lace on this unit was extremely soft, but the only difference of this lace, it was like a purplish tintish color. Let me see if you guys can see. I'm trying to see if my camera focus. Okay, so it's like a brownish, dark brown color. It's a little darker than my complexion. And the other unit that I will be reviewing by Janet Collection has a more of a Swiss lace, so just stick around for that one so you can see the difference in like the lace. But this one is just a little bit harder, not hard, just a little bit, like, it's not like, you know, flimsy like the other one. It's just a little bit tougher, I'll say, but it's not really cutting on my edges or anything. But it is a soft Swiss lace. It is a hand-tied unit with the parting space. Of course, a nice middle part. And you guys know, like, sometimes I go through my like thing, like my days where, you know, I want my units to be part in the middle, but you guys know I am a left part baby. But this is looking so cute and match my lips as well. I went for a more subtle and dark look. I don't know, so tell me your thoughts on this look. Have you tried this brand? Well, this brand, because I know a lot of people have not still tried Janet Collection. Have you guys tried this brand? Have you guys tried this wig right here, the extended part? Because this is my first time and I'm actually loving it. Janet been coming out with some bangers lately and I've been in love, and ever since I've been stalking them, like trying to see what they're gonna come out with next. Like, they're real good. But yeah, let me go ahead and give you guys a 360. So this is the side here. You can see the length. This is the back. This is the opposite side. And we were right back to the front. It looks good too when it's all the way to the front like this. You guys see this? This is so cute. You guys see that? This is so freaking gorgeous. Like, if you guys were to get this unit, what color would you get it in? Because it comes in a variety of colors. They have like this FF blonde, honey blonde, they have ginger copper, they have cinnamon swirl. I was looking at the cinnamon swirl, but I'm like, you know what, I've been getting these cinnamon swirls too much, but I think I've been getting cinnamon swirl. But this just reminded me so much of a cinnamon swirl, that's why I didn't get it. But from a scale of 1 to 10, I do give this unit, I give this unit a 8.5. I just love the way it's layered here. I just love it. Like this side is like falling a little bit, but it's fine. I'll just put some Got To Be glue spray on there. Let me see. It's just falling just a little bit, but it's cute. Like, I love it. Tell me what you guys think. I want to know your thoughts down below. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell. And make sure you guys comment. Like, I want to know your thoughts. I really do. I really do want to know your thoughts down below. And tell me what, you know, units you want to see next, of course. And I think that is about it for this review. Thank you for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye. See you guys soon.